Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. So I'm back with another video. My name is Sianda Manzini. So I just want to talk about Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole. As we can see, the prices are still going down. So Bitcoin is still down from its previous all-time high of 69,000 for one Bitcoin. Right now we are trading at 18,600 by the time of recording. Today is Thursday. Right now the time is 3:43. We are trading at 18,600. So the market is not looking great. As we can see, the prices are below. If you look at the RSI here, our relative strength index, we are oversold as it's trading at 28. So if we are below 30, that means Bitcoin is oversold, and if we are above 70, that means Bitcoin is overbought. So right now we are oversold. People are just selling, and we all know what is happening in the macro environment. We are still in an inflationary environment. We still have a war in Ukraine. Ukraine and Russia are still fighting heavy, so that is definitely going to affect the markets. But it's not only Bitcoin that is falling. The reason I only focus on Bitcoin is because Bitcoin leads the crypto market. If Bitcoin is falling, the whole market is falling. So let's look at ETH as well. ETH has been on a downtrend as well. So right now we're trading at $1,000 US. If you look at our RSI on Ethereum, we are also almost oversold because we are trading at around 30. We are almost below 30. So it might take us some time to see the markets or Ethereum and Bitcoin reverse to the upside direction. As we can see here, I want us to look at the weekly charts so that we can see the 200 week moving average and the 300 week moving average. Ethereum already touched the 300 week moving average. As you can see here, we went below the 200 week moving average. It just shows you how bad things are in the market. And Ethereum, we are already oversold. So people have been selling, and it's not only because of the selling that is going on exchanges, it's also the liquidations that we have seen in the market. We've seen what has happened to Celsius. We have seen what has happened to Three Arrows Capital. All those things lead to such things. BlockFi as well. Most of them are defaulting. All those lending platforms that are out there in the crypto space. So we might really see more blood in the market. So I also want us to look at Bitcoin on a weekly chart so that we see we are near the 300 week moving average. So if we do touch the 300 week moving average, we might go down to 16,000 for one Bitcoin. But you know, this is bad, especially if you are somebody who got into crypto in 2021. Some people, you know, they buy the top or almost buy near the top because of the FOMO they get when they see people making money in the market. So that can be people maybe who bought somewhere, let's say here, or somebody who bought the top. Those people are feeling maximum pain right now if they were still holding, unless if they sold on our way down, because obviously if you sell while the market is going down, then you're losing that way. But that is how most people learn in the markets. I was also one of those people who bought near the top and sometimes bought the top, and I saw my investment decline about 60 to 70% to the downside. I learned a lot from that. I gained a lot of experience, so that is why I'm a better trader or better investor today. So I'm just sharing this with you so that if you are interested into the crypto market, you'll realize that this is not the first time that this is happening. I know touching or going below the 200 week moving average is a new record for Bitcoin. The 200 week moving average has been our major support in the past. As you can see here, we touched the 200 week moving average back in March 2020, and then we also touched the 200 week moving average back in 2019. We also touched the 200 week moving average back in 2018 in the bear market. So we can see that we already went below the 200 week moving average. But the main thing is, we know the macro environment is pretty bad. Like I said, interest rates are rising. Almost all central banks around the globe are increasing their interest rates, so that is going to affect the markets. The war as well that is going on is still going to make the markets tumble a little bit more. It's a bad thing and also a good thing, because when things are like this, those are extremely buying opportunities. I'm not giving you financial advice, I'm just sharing my experience with you, because I've been in these markets, I've seen how things work, and this is nothing new. It might take us some time to see a reversal. It might take us some time to see the market do that, but then it is also possible that the market might go down even more. Like I said, that it's possible that we're going to touch the 300-week moving average, so we might still go down and maybe touch 15k. Some experts see us touching 11k, so that is also possible, because to be honest, the market can do anything as it is being affected by many factors. It's not only the macro environment. So in times like this, people are not going to put their money on risky assets like Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin right now is still risky because it's new. Bitcoin is only 13 years old, so people are going to try and hold their cash as things are really bad. Things are getting expensive in shops, and wherever you go, you can see with the fuel prices as well. In order for us to see the market maybe changing direction, we need to see the Fed cut their increase on interest rates, because what happens is when they increase interest rates, the economy becomes stagnant because there's no growth. People cannot borrow money to grow, to start businesses or to sustain their businesses. So we are still going to see a lot of blood in the streets. So I want us to look at the bull market support band, because I use it as a bull market resistance band, because it helps me to know if we are still in a bear market or in a bull market. So the bull market support band, you use it on a weekly chart. So if the prices are below the bull market support band, then you know that we are in a bear market. So if prices are above the bull market support band, then you know that we're in a bull market. So things right now are not looking good, but this is a great time to dollar cost average in. I'm not saying sell your house or sell your car. No, what I'm saying is you should dollar cost average in, meaning that you can put in a certain amount, maybe weekly or monthly. It's up to you, but this is a great time to invest, because later on when things change, because things are not always going to be like this. When the market changes direction, then you're definitely going to be in profit. So that is what I wanted to share with you. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I would also like to know what you think in the comment section below. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.